Me ma wakwa baba wo no Opoku nsua twi dwumadie so. And then so that is today too we are continuing our lesson on Twi Verbs. And what verbs are we considering today? We are considering these 4 verbs, and that is Dane, Sesa, Dum, and So. Dane, to turn or to change. Sesa, which also means what? To change or to pick. And then Dum, to put off, and So, to light up. So let's set the ball rolling, or let the show begin. Good. Let's start with the first verb, and that is what? Dane. When we say Dane, it means to turn. So if I want you to turn something, I will simply say Dane, Dane, and then I will add the name of that thing. For instance, assuming this is a grill, we are only assuming because it's not the real thing, but we are only improvising. So assuming this is a grill and this is what? A meat. In Twi we say enam, enam. The Twi word for both meat and fish is enam. Only that with fish we try to qualify it with what? Water. So we say nsuo munam. Nsuo munam. Nsuo is what? Water or river. So nsuo mu, that is inside water, meat or fish. Nsuo munam. Nsuo munam. Okay, so this is what? Chicken. Akoko nam. Akoko nam. Akoko is what? Chicken or fowl. Akoko nam. Good. But the actual verb that we're dealing with is what? Dane. Dane. And that is what? To turn. So if I want you to turn this chicken or this enam, I will say Dane enam no. Dane enam no, and I will have to do this. Good. In this case, I will say madane no. Madane enam no. Madane no. So when you say Dane, it means what? To turn. Dane can also mean to change direction. So if you are going straight and I want you to turn right, I will say Dane konifa. Dane konifa. Dane konifa meaning turn right. So when we say Dane, it could mean to turn something or to change direction. To change direction. So we have Dane namno, that is what? Turn the meat the other way around. And then Dane konifa, that means turn right. Turn right. Very good then. However, people somehow confuse themselves with this word Dane, that is to turn or to change direction, with another verb, that is what? Sesa. Sesa, which also means to change. However, we use it when we want to say change something or exchange something. For example, if you want me to change my clothes, if you want me to change my clothes because we are going to a place and you think this outfit does not fit where we are going, then you can say Sesa watadie no. Sesa watadie no, meaning change your outfit or change your attire. Sesa watadie no. So I think you can get the difference now. If I want to say turn something around, then I will say Dane. I will not say Sesa no. If I say Sesa, for example, if you are using this pen and I want you to change it, I will not say Dane no. If I say Dane, it means turn it. That is Dane no. But if I say Sesa no, then it means put it down and take another one. That is Sesa. Sesa. Change, to change something. Sesa, to change something. So if I say Sesa pen no, Pen in Twi is what? Atweredua. But most Twi speakers prefer to say pen. Yeah, so I will say Sesa atweredua no. If I say Sesa atweredua, that means put it down and take another one. Masesa no. But if I say Dane no, it means turn it the other way around. Dane no. I hope this is quite clear. Good. The same verb, Sesa. We can change the intonation and it will mean what? To pick. And that one will say Sesa. The first one is what? Sesa. That one is somehow nasalized. It's a nasal sound. And that is what? Sesa. That is what change. But when I say Sesa, that one means what? Pick. So when I say Sesa pen, it means pick the pens. So Sesa. I'm picking. Sesa. So when you say Sesa, it means to pick. But Sesa, that is what? Change for another. Good. So let's go to the third verb. The third verb is what? Doom. And that is what? To turn something off. So if I want you to turn the light off, I will say dum kaniano, meaning turn off the light. Put off the fire, I will say dum jano, or dum ejano. You can bring the prefix eja, or you can ignore the prefix and then you just mention ja. Dumjano. So do you know how we call firefighters? We call them Odumjafo. Odumja, that means someone who puts off fire. The four sounds like when we say American, the can that ends it, the can, or Ghanaian, the Nian, Malian, the lien that ends it. It's like the four that we are using. Odumja 4, meaning firefighters or people who put off what? Fire. Odumja. So when we say doom, it means what? To put off. Well, if you put off something, later on, what do? You put it on. To put on or to lie something up, we say so, and that will be the fourth verb. So. That is what? To light something, or to weld something, or to cut something. It has three meanings. When we say so, first of all, it means what? To light up something. So, for example, we can say sokanian, meaning light up the light or put on the light. Sokanian. Good. The next meaning, assuming these are metals, they are not metals. This is a metal and it's broken, and I want you to weld them together. I will also say so. Nadia is what? Metal. So nadia, meaning weld the metals. So nadia, weld the metals. Good. The next meaning of so, I can cast this to you, or you too can cast something to me. It could be a ball. If you are casting to me, definitely you are going to tell me catch it. In Twi you will say so. So meaning what? Catch it. So when we say so, it could mean to put on the light, or to weld something together, or to catch something. Good. Good listeners and good viewers, this is where I'll end this lesson. And I hope you've been able to learn these 4 vocabularies. That is Dane, that is what? To turn something other way around. Sesa, that is to change. Sesa, and that is what? To pick. Dum, to put off. And then so, to lie something up. Did you enjoy this lesson? Then give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe. And thanks for watching.